Hey, what is up guys, Zain Aman here, and today I will be showing you how you can go from one activity to the other activity in Android by using a button. Now I will just start a new project and then I will select this empty activity. I will leave the name as it is. You can rename it. I will finish. I will select finish option. Now you can see I am in main activity.java. Here you can see we have mainActivity.xml. I will select this tab. Now I will change this hello world to first activity. Okay. And then I will use button below. Then wrap content and then wrap content. And then I will just close this tag. I will give it an ID, then I will just give it btn. Okay, now you can see we have an error. I will solve it, but first I will give it a text, and then give it button. Now you can see we have an error. It is because I'm using constant layout. I have fixed it. I'm gonna put it below the first activity. Now I will fix it by adjusting it. Now here you can see we have successfully put a button below first activity. Okay. Now I will make another activity. I'll right click here and then I'll say new. Right click here and then I'll say new, and then activity, empty activity, main to activity. So this is the second activity. Okay, so here you can see we have the Java file and the main activity too. Now I will just copy this layout and then paste it here. Select all, Control A and then Control V. Now I will just change the ID by 2 and button 2, and then give it second activity. I will just rename it to second activity. Second activity. Now we are ready to go from one activity to the other activity. We just need two activities. Okay, in here in activity main, I will come here. Oh, sorry, I have to come to main activity. Now what I have to do is prepare a variable for our button. I will say private button and btn. Now I will initialize this button. btn equal find view by id dot id dot btn. So the first button, and then close it by using the terminal. And below I will now use a set on click listener to our button. So this is our button. I will say btn, and then I will use access corridor, which is dot. Now you can see we have set on click listener here. Just press enter and then I'll say new, and then on click listener, and then you can see it is view on click listener. You can just do control space and just like this new, and then control space. You can see we have this option. I'm going to say enter. I'm going to say enter, and then you can see we have this code generated. Now in here we can do whatever we want to do with our click. So when we click our button, we want to go from one activity to the other activity. To do this, we have to use intent. If you want me to make a topic, a whole topic in intent, I will make it. Okay, just in the next video I will show you how you can remove this action. Now you can see we have to import this intent. Alt please subscribe. It has successfully imported this video. We'll see space our intent equal new intent. Here you can see. Now from which activity you wanna go, we have to go from this activity to this. Okay, now you can just say that here we have to pass the context, the package context. It is this, and then you can say, okay, from this means this activity. From this activity we want to go to main to activity dot class. Simple. There we go. Now we have an error. Cannot resolve constructor. Okay, just main activity dot this to main activity dot class, and then this is not over yet. We have to pass this intent into start activity. Okay, we have to just write start, type start activity. Now you can pass intent here. Okay, now you can see I have successfully installed this application into my device. If I press this button, you can see this is the second activity. Again, I'm going back and press this button. You can see we have a second activity. Okay, now how we can do the same thing into main activity 2. Okay, I have to go here and initialize and prepare a variable. So I can say private, and then button 2. Just see bn2, and then I have to import this button, not enter, and then here I have to initialize. So I can say bn 2 equals find your value dot bn2. Okay, as you can see, if I go here, this has an ID bn2. Yeah, get that here, and then I can just use this code. So then grab this code over here. From here, I'll paste it down here. Okay, I'll just import it. Now I can say bn2. Okay, now let's see what's wrong here. What's wrong? Okay. There's an error. Okay, there's a problem. Okay, so what's the problem? You can see we have to go from main activity 2 to main activity 1. But here is opposite. Okay, so I can just say main activity class, and then I can just get this, or I can say like main activity 2 like this. Now I have to put a dot here. Everything seems to be fine. I will run it again into my mobile device. Let's see. Here is the first activity, and then this is the second activity. You can see it's going back from first activity to second activity, now from second activity to the first activity.